When I took over this position 4 years ago, one of my initiatives was to make sure that we were getting more STEM equipment into classrooms.
It adds to our curriculum. For example, the bird beaks that we did, we've been studying animal adaptations by printing out the bird beaks and having them with the little connector so the students could actually hold them and test them. And they tested them with different habitats and different foods that the animals could eat, the birds could eat. It got a hands-on experience with that.
In the fall, I had the juniors use it, and now the seniors are using it. It's so fun. And after all the years I've done this, last year I said was the most fun I've had teaching because of the 3D printer in as long as I can remember.
So we standardized on the Robo 3D. It has been very easy to understand, very easy to work. Our teachers enjoy it. They don't feel overwhelmed, which is why we really like the My STEM kits.
We work with integrating technology into the classroom for their teachers, learning how to use it with their curriculum and the lessons that they already have planned, where they can add it in, where they can enhance just student engagement in general, especially with creating tangible manipulatives for them to use or creating tangible experiences for the kids to really kind of hone in on the learning.
My students have been coding using the block coding, and I wanted them to continue that with Tinkercad, not create something totally different, use what they know. They were so excited, all of them. What are we going to print? That was the first thing. So we found a project that looked like it was pretty straightforward, making a name tag, and I had them tinker their own name tag. They're proud, you know, they're holding it up saying, I did this, I made this.
Yay, I did it.
They love it. They are always enthusiastic. Oh my gosh, it's so worth it. I can't believe more people don't do this because it's so much fun.